There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. There are 3 things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Vision without execution is just hallucination. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got.